Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to rotate your video in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Import the video you want to add. Now select the video and find the edit button, then click it. Now you can rotate your video by clicking the rotate button. This will rotate the video by 90 degrees. And that's how successfully you can rotate your video. Now rotate the video how you like and save it to your device.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.